Hey everyone, it's me Crypto Zombie and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Zombie. So guys, today in this video we will explore or explain Wax Auto and brand new event. In this section we will explore or explain each and everything how to use it Wax Auto and. So before going to start this further review disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit or loss. So let's start the review now. So guys, Wax is fully opening up to Auto Earn. So here is the brand new event Wax. Wax Exchange guys, breaking bread news. November 10th, Wax officially announced the Auto Earn product, primarily how to hold and appears 190 plus countries and region. So it will be available on 190 countries plus region and is the already supported guys. And you can click Auto and do your own research. Wax also support. Here is the to your thank you Wax and your execution reward. You can use complete KYC and enjoy this 100% API in the 7 day. You may also like guys, you need to see check out guys, and also you can see here is the scroll down Wax OTC like guys, you can see here 200% trading pairs. Here is the another details on this exchange. Here is this exchange Wax launch Auto and earn daily on USDT. Do your own search. Here is the product integration. So guys, in this section we will explore or explain each and everything. So Auto is the digital asset go to launched by Wax supported USDT guys, and do need to log. There is a fund can deposit on. Here is the system calculate inequality daily guys, is the automatically distribution allowing is the country granted, and here is the returns. So number first guy is the flexible details one and you can see here this table returns guys, you need to check out guys first. And here is the third is the automatic guys. Here you need to see automatic statement guys. Here is the new user reward guys, you need to check out guys. Here is a how to use, how to participate in Wax Auto Earn. In this section we will explore or explain each and everything how to use a Wax Auto Earn. Open the app and go to asset page and up to the Auto Earn. Here is the some interface, you need to see Auto Earn option is available now. You can use it, do your own research. I am not your financial advisor first guys. Here is the some picture you need to see guys. Here is the Wax Auto Earn is a disable enable, you need to see, you can check out now guys. Here is a flexible funding transaction guys, you need to see interest, and also you can check out this Auto Earn will be on available now. Here is the maximum minimum principal amount. Here is the guys detail you need to see, and guys here is the notes you need to check out guys, and you can see here the amazing detail you also may also like guys. Here is the detail you need to check out guys, and also here is some another detail you need to see. Here is the official Telegram community you need to see, you can check out now. I am going to explore this as a script how to participate in Auto Earn. So I will already explain product introduction, Auto Earn, flexible earn, stable returns, automatic statement, how user and how to use. Here is some another detail I have already explained in this section. So in this section we will explore, and now I am going to this app store. This app will be available on guys on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. This app will be available now and you can use it, do your own research. Now I am going to introduce this Wax Auto Earn, and now I am going to on mobile screen. I will show you Wax Auto and how to use it, do your own research. I am not your financial advisor first. So let's go on mobile screen, let's show me something guys. So guys, here is you need to see guys, I am always open this Wax Exchange. You need to download, and Google Play App Store will be available now exchange. Here is some asset you need to see and enter, and here is the Wax Auto Earn information. So here is some Auto Earn detail you need to see, you can check out, do your own search. Here is the your yesterday lifetime. Here is the Wax Auto Earn detail. Here is the some estimated reward elements time, and here is the new user guys, how to earn. Here is the details. So guys, need to check out, and you can see here guys, and you can check out is will be available on 119 plus country will be Wax Auto Earn is already supported, and some countries will be soon. So I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.